All right, and for number 20, we have a scatter plot. Inside that scatter plot is drawn the line of best fit. Our variables for this problem are x, which is the time spent watching TV. No, sorry, time spent watching TV. Y is the time spent doing homework. 24 students are on here. Each x represents one data point. The line that's drawn in there is called the line of best fit, and that is the line that is, on average, it's as close as it can be to every single point in the scatter plot. What it shows is just a general trend, and that trend appears to be the more time the student watches TV, the less time they spend on homework. This is a negative correlation because as x is increasing, y is decreasing. And we can also consider it a negative correlation because it's a line falling from left to right. Slope is negative, and that's what we're after. So the line of best fit, the equation is given to us. It is y is equal to negative 0.78 x plus 26.12. First question, what is the predicted time doing homework for a student who spends 12 hours watching TV? X is the time on TV. So when X is 12, what is Y? Plus 26.12. And go to the calculator. I'm going to do this just on a basic calculator here. I have 0.78. It is negative. I'm multiplying it by 12 and then adding 2612, 1676, 16.76. What is the predicted time doing homework for a student who doesn't spend any time watching TV? All right. No time watching TV. What does that mean for us? That means X is 0. What happens when X is 0? Negative 0.78 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 26.12 is 26.12. And then the last part, for an increase of 1 hour in the time spent watching TV, what is the predicted decrease in the time spent doing homework? Well, let's take our value here of, if I did no time watching TV, I would spend 26.12 hours on homework. What happens if I do 1 hour? If I do 1 hour when X is 1, that means $26.12. So negative 0.78 plus times 1 is negative 0.78. 26.12 minus 0.78 is 25.34. That is a decrease of how much? 26.12 minus 25.34. That's a decrease of 0.78 hours spent on homework. And that number actually appears as our slope. That's the idea. On average, for every hour spent watching TV, you lose an hour on homework time. So the answer here, 0.78.